Today, Sunday, July 25th. This is the 1959 Cadillac Power Antenna. This is for my friend Justin, and this is a level 8 restoration. And I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set. The first video was the bench layout of all the individual components as the unit was completely disassembled all the way down to the final screw and fully rebuilt. Everything was properly serviced, and we're now going to go ahead and connect it to power and do a functional validation test on the rising and retraction of the power antenna and the clutch mechanism. So I'll go ahead and engage it to power. And the antenna rises. This is an extremely long antenna in 1959. And the clutch system enables, and we've got the full 48-inch of extension. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and we'll do the retraction. And the unit fully retracts, and the clicking sound you hear is the clutch mechanism that keeps going until the user lets up on the switch. That is how the systems worked from 1959 all the way through 1969 in terms of the power antenna clutch release system of the winder, as opposed to the 73-76 variants that had the limiter function and the self-parking. So in 1959 we have the clutch mechanism used to facilitate the maximum extents and full retraction, as evident by the clicking sound of the clutch. So very, very powerful, fully rebuilt motor, fully serviced rewinder, and of course I'll go ahead and do one more time. And that's the full extension, and now we'll go ahead and do the retraction. And that's the full retraction. So this is the 1959 fully restored Cadillac Power Antenna for my friend Justin in Las Vegas. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts for the 1959 to 1978 Cadillacs. Best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the radios, these power antennas, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac components. Today is Sunday, July 25th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.